International Space Station in general introduced through this symbol. Actually, this is a joint venture of 5 countries. This is the satellite orbiting round the Earth at a height of 500 or 400 kilometers. It has the speed 28,000 kilometers per hour. It can accommodate at the maximum 7 astronauts working, performing, researching together inside. But just to accommodate, the number might exceed. All the countries are sending their astronauts to work and perform through this station. It is not geostationary. Just to differentiate geostationary with this one, we must make clear the concept of geostationary orbit. Geostationary orbit, that means geo stands for Earth. From Earth that appears stationary, the orbit is in the equatorial plane. If you want to launch this satellite that's going to be geostationary, that has to be launched from the equator, and that will revolve in equatorial plane. Its height is about 36,000 kilometers. Exact value here you may refer to. Its orbital velocity comes out to be about 7 kilometers per second. What's the special thing about it? That it is having time period equal to 24 hours. 24 hours is the time period of rotation of Earth also. Now if something is projected, see, this is the equator of Earth, just suppose this is Earth, and you are launching the satellite from this very point, it is turned in the orbit and that revolves around Earth. But since the Earth is also rotating at the same rate, both the satellite and this point of projection, both will always be in the same line throughout. Both are having time period 24 hours, and moreover, the Earth rotates from west to east. This satellite should also rotate from west to east. It will always appear stationary from Earth. These are the specific points that we have covered regarding geostationary satellites. Now, what are the uses? Uses, you see, telecommunication, this is used for TV, broadcasting, mobile phone signals and all that, to send the signal throughout the world. At the same time, at the minimum, we need 3 satellites. Other use is weather forecasting, because they constantly monitor the given surface, so they are in a position to track the cloud pattern, storm and all that. Then navigation and global positioning system is also, that also finds the application of these satellites. Then in military purposes, we can use for surveillance and communication. Now, what are the polar satellites? Polar satellites. You see, if you consider geostationary satellite, this is the orbit of geostationary satellite. But for polar satellite, this one is the case. This is in north-south direction, whereas the geostationary satellite will be in east-west direction. Their height is not much. It is hardly 500 to 800 kilometers, because it's at lower level. This is very high, 36,000 kilometers, whereas polar satellites are less than 1,000 kilometers. They are very close, so they are very helpful in remote sensing. They cover the entire surface of the Earth because they are moving in polar plane.